Julie, who's your favorite Disney princess?
Si Mulan.
Bakit?
Yeah, Mulan. Dude, like,
Last
ang dami ko
question.
ng beses na panood yung Mulan. And paulit-ulit ko siya pinapanood. I just find that character really strong. And Mulan was a brave woman. Kumbaga, isa-sacrifice niya pati yung buhay niya para sa pamilya niya. And I think that's one of the things na similar din sa akin.
Parang si Julian. No?
Parang ako lang.
Meron ka na ba nakanta sa mga production number mo na na galing sa Mulan?
Nagaling sa... No, I think I'll be singing
Moana.
How Far I'll Go from Moana.
Okay.
I've been standing at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water no matter how hard I try. Every seen a line when the sky meets the sea, it calls me. No one knows how far it goes. If the wind from my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll sail on the sea, it stays behind me. One day you'll know it holds me. No one knows how far it goes. The sail on the sea stays behind me. One day you'll know how far I'll go.
Advice mo sa mga young girls na gusto rin sumunod sa yapak mo, na kumanta rin ng mga kanta-kanta mo.
Ayun. I was their age when I started joining singing contests. So, yeah, I just want to say that they're doing a great job. And they just have to hold on to their dreams and never give up on it. Just always ask guidance from your parents and just always pray and everything will be okay.
Thank you, Julie.
Napakita mo ba yung kapag kunwari, like this is a competition, doon ka din nagsimula to start
It's
over?
really it really melts my heart every time I see younger people, like yung mga kids na talagang kumakanta and they really want this. Na parang nakaka-inspire din every time I watch them. Parang ewan ko kasi these kids talaga like nowadays sobrang sobrang active nila palagi. So ayun, yung grip nila din sa dream nila. Kumbaga, hindi talaga madaling natitipan. Hindi nila madaling papakamad. As long as, like, naniniwala sila sa sarili nila. And, you just have to be yourself.
What's the bravest thing you've done?
What?
What's the bravest thing you've done?
In my career? Oh my God, that's a tough
To be
question.
able to...
Si Dad kasi against talaga siya sa showbiz. So, he didn't want me na mag-showbiz before. Kasi conflict daw sa schedule, tapos conflict sa pag-aaral ko. And I was still in high school when I started. So, yun, medyo conflict. Tapos, he made me choose. Sabi niya, career ba or yung studies? Sabi ko, no, I really want this. I really want this. Kumbaga parang, ito na, ever since talaga yung passionate ko since I was a kid. And singing, music. And then, we made a deal. Sabi ko sa kanya, mag-aaral ako habang nagtatrabaho ako. And I'll try my very best din na magpapasok din sa honors, ganun. And so, I did naman. I graduated with honors. And then, I just really wanted my parents to be proud of me also. And yan naman, napapayag naman si Papa, si Dad. Fortunately, na pumayag naman na siya, and then siya pa nga yung naghahatid sa akin every time sa work.
Totoo yun.
Till now,
Agree
totoo
ako
yan.
doon.
Totoo yan. Anyway, I'm just really happy na nasa right places lahat.
Dedicate yourself and joke and find yourself standing in a hall of fame. And the world's gonna know your name. And the world's gonna know your name. For the people who work back, all you gotta know you never try. Do it for your country, do it for your name.
Troy, Julianne San Jose, Aizon Santos.
Panghuli na lang ako, what's next for Julie? Ano ba maabangan ng fans mo?
Hopefully, another album and concerts.
Concerts
Yes.
this year.
This year.
Oo. May date na ba?
Wala pa naman. Nasa process pa yung meetings namin. I think mag-meeting na kami very soon.
Okay.
Tapos maglalatag na kami ng mga songs.
Wow, oo.
Uh,
Something
yeah.
big ulit. Something big for
Something a little
Julie.
different.